you guys know, in our last experiments, I've been on a mission to become the greatest wizard that has ever lived on Earth. I have made metal float on top of water. Right? I have made able to put pepper and move it in water. I have been able to do amazing feats. But those are all what is called the good magic. Today, I'm going to teach you guys that being a wizard or a witch requires sometimes you get your hands dirty in the dark arts, in the black magic. Today, I'm going to make a snake out of sand. Now, just before you start hating, for all these things, let me tell you that I have only managed to make the snake alive for a few seconds or minutes if I'm lucky. So don't hate, because it's still practicing. But pretty much, there's two things that I needed to make from a dead objects. Is sugar alive?
No.
Sugar's dead. It's an inanimate object. Is sand alive?
No.
It's dead. There's no life in sand. But what I'm going to do here is out of these dead objects, I'm going to make a live snake. And all I need is a little bit of energy in the form of fire. So it is dangerous if you burn yourself. Well, it was good knowing you. So let's do this. You guys excited?
Yeah!
Alright, back to being silence. I need absolute silence. I will make fire with my hands. Fire with my hands. Now I gotta say the magic words. Unga la cha la la ooh. Unga cha la la ooh. From dead come back to life. From the dead come to life. No. Unga cha la la ooh. Unga cha la ooh. Alright, we're gonna have the snake. Doing it. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
I can smell. What?
It's my baby. Move back. I'm gonna give my snake a little bit of fire, of extra life. Move back. This is very dangerous. Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh!
It's dead!
Oh! It's gonna try to eat Rosa!
Stay back, Rosa!
Just kidding, Rosie. Just a joke.
Now it's gonna eat. Oh, please!
It's going on the table.
Now it's gonna eat it. It's slithering. It's gonna eat.
Leave her alone. Leave her alone, Jake.
It's slithering off his hand.
Come, Rosa, watch.
Oh my gosh! It's big!
It's gonna eat Jay.
Yay!
Rosa, watch.
That's big. Oh my god! Why is it breath?
Alright, guys. Today we're playing with fire. If you're watching this at home, do not do this at home. Okay, that's my general advertisement. Garden surgeon disclaimer. We're playing with fire.